Ravana, whom no one in the three worlds could defeat, made a vow to take Mahadev himself to Lanka. But destiny played such a game that even today the Shivling never reached Lanka. This story dates back to the time when Ravana performed severe penance and pleased Lord Shiva. Shiva appeared before him and asked him to ask for a boon. Ravana said, "O Mahadev, come with me to Lanka and reside there forever." Lord Shiva replied, "All right, I will come, but in the form of a Shivling. Remember one thing, never place it on the ground during the journey. If you put it on the ground even once, I will stay there forever and go no further." Ravana set out carrying the Shivling. Seeing this, the gods became worried. If Mahadev reached Lanka, Ravana would become invincible. Then Lord Vishnu created an illusion and sent Lord Ganesha to Ravana in the form of a young Brahmin boy. Ravana was hurrying back to Lanka with the Shivling in his hands when suddenly he felt an intense urge to relieve himself. He became confused. Where should he keep the Shivling? Just then a small Brahmin boy appeared, who was actually Lord Ganesha. Ravana said, "Son, hold this for a while, but do not place it on the ground." The boy replied, "All right, but if you take too long, I'll put it on the ground." Ravana left, but due to the god's illusion, his urge didn't subside at all. Finally, the boy placed the Atmalingam on the ground. The moment the Shivling touched the earth, Lord Shiva became established right there. When Ravana returned, he used all his strength to lift the Shivling. But even after countless attempts, he could not move it even an inch. Enraged, Ravana struck the Shivling hard with his fist, but it sank even deeper into the earth. Today, that very Atmalingam is enshrined at the Gokarna Mahabaleshwar temple. This proves that even Ravana's power could not change Mahadev's will. Such is the glory of Shiva. Did you know this story? Let us know in the comments and write Har Har Mahadev. And to learn more such stories, subscribe to our channel.